In this video, we are going to go through the steps of closing out the accounting year for a calendar year client, which includes posting the final month of the year, exporting to Drake Tax, and closing the general ledger for the year. First, if you had been using the normal posting method type, make sure that all transactions have been posted for the year. Select the client from the Client Selector screen. Next, expand the accounting module. Open Transactions and select Unposted. After reviewing the transactions, click Post. Check Post All Entered Transactions, then click Post. You will be asked whether you want to post all transactions to the general ledger. Click Yes. All transactions are now posted to the general ledger. If you use live posting method, your transactions automatically posted to the general ledger. Before exporting to Drake, it is important to make sure the client's chart of accounts is mapped to Drake Tax. If this was not done when the chart of accounts was set up, open the chart of accounts within the accounting module and double-click an account. In the Tax Return Information section, select the appropriate tax form and tax line from the drop list. If there is more than one instance of a schedule or form being used for the current client's tax return, indicate the number in the tax form instance field. Click Save, click Exit. After all accounts have been mapped, it is time to export to Drake. This step is not required as part of the end-of-year process. However, if you are going to export to Drake Tax, export process must be completed before performing the year-end close. Expand the client module and select Export to Drake Tax. If you filed this client's tax return last year, update the return in Drake before performing the export. Drake Accounting locates the return using the EIN or SSN. If the client does not exist in Drake, information from the client setup in Drake Accounting is used to create the tax return. From the drop list, choose the appropriate tax year and the location of Drake Tax. Click OK and then Exit. The last step is to close the general ledger for the year. Expand the accounting module and select Year-End Close. Income and expense accounts in the chart of accounts with an account number greater than the designated retained earnings account will be reduced to a zero balance, and the net income is sent to the retained earnings account. You have the option to convert account balances to next year's budget. Click OK. After completing the year-end close process, the chart of accounts can be brought forward to the current year of Drake Accounting software. In the current program, go to Client, then Update Prior Year. Please see the video, Updating Prior Year Clients if you need assistance. For more information, visit accounting.drakesoftware.com.